Ben with Vestal Futures Trading. We're back in the market, still live from our Discord channel. Welcome to our Discord community. How are you today? I hope you're feeling good. So we're back on the S&P or the micro S&P. We're gonna cover yesterday's position and we'll basically see how it's developed for today. We'll give a couple of trading ideas. Of course, if you're not part of this community, highly recommend to join the community. We're on Discord. Community is growing. You have a free access to this Discord channel. It's completely free. Where can you see us trade our live trading, develop with our community discussion. So if you're not there still, I'm highly recommend for you to tag along and join the team. We're doing daily session in a more expanded wide way than we're actually covering in this channel. So I will put the link in the description. I hope you guys find it easy to join and have a good experience. Of course, we're open to any good conversation. This is a very safe community, so I'll see you on that platform as well. And let's cover quickly yesterday's position. So in our bird's eye view in the day interval, we already see how the graph, basically we spoke about how the graph rise from the major demand area to the major supply area. Yesterday we saw how the doji candle still was not firm enough. I'm sorry, the confirmation candle after the doji candle was not firm enough to get us to a long position. So our only mindset is aim to do the following. When we are in the major supply, we're either gonna short position it or not do anything. So I want to show you how does it look in the 4 hours chart and the 15-minute chart as well, the interval what we marked yesterday. So this is how it looks in the 4 hours interval, and we already see it pretty clearly that we had entered yesterday we covered this position right here. I'm going to jump quickly to the 15 minutes interval just to show you what we marked yesterday. So this is what we did yesterday. Basically we saw this 4-hour pull right here, this major pull, and we also marked this 15 minutes interval pull as a minor supply to basically join a position once the price hits this spot again. And obviously we can see it over here how the price developed during the day all through the night. So we'll see how from this point we short position it all the way up to here. Create a couple of almost $1,000 we took from this. We took short position from here to here, and we can see how that wasn't a day trend. We did not swing trade it. So we see how in the night we saw how basically also the night. I'm gonna put over here the night and the day market profile for us to understand it. So we enter over here in this position, and we saw basically that we had Eiler doing the short position from here to here, and we see what happened during the night. Basically this is the day profile. We're seeing the night it opened even with a wide gap, means the price significantly dropped and started to be traded below the fair value area, the low value area. It means that now that the price also retouched again, we'll see it over here in this spot right here. We can see how the price met again the 4 hours chart. This is 4 hours supply. Basically we see how the price retouched the 4 hours supply and started to drop again. So obviously we're gonna take a short position. We're not gonna go against the trend. So the rightest most call it efficient way to trade this specific move, we're gonna try to short position it from the high value area to the low value area. We obviously see that over here within the night we have a very narrow initial balance, and that means that basically the price can expand to either sides, and most likely to expand downwards because we're in the supply area. So what we're going to try to see is basically we'll take this position from here. We see how the price now meets the low value area, possibly drop all the way to this candle and then reverse again, and we want to attack this spot, the short position from here all the way down here, all the way down. Where all the way? Or possibly all the way through this position right here. So I'm gonna put a command right here so far as to trade it. We're gonna take it first base. We're gonna put it right here and risk about 118 to make 516. I'm gonna maybe do two contract, risking 237 to create $1,032. This is the first step that we're gonna do. Basically, we're gonna try to land on the low value area of the previous 2 days. If not, we're gonna try to check. Maybe we'll do one contract over here and then exit another contract over here, so we have a way to play around with it. But either way, we're not changing the disk. We only think about short positioning from in one unless we're gonna see a significant change. This is the market view for today. Of course, this is only a recommendation. As usual, this is put in a disclaimer. This is not substitution for financial advice. I'm always recommend for you to advise with your financial advisor. This is only our trading ideas, and I hope that you find it successful. If you tag along with our position and you make some bucks, very happy for you. Congratulations. We can also see how we cover the markets daily, how we cover our positions in a very broad way as well. As I said before, in a Discord community, we can have a major discussion about it. Join the community, and obviously, if you like this content in this channel, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next market overview. Thank you.